Hello everyone. In this video we will learn detail about the 4-year undergraduate program, that is FYUG, based on the National Education Policy NEP 2020. The FYUG course details, the number of papers to be studied and also the exam pattern is discussed in detail here in this video. Before starting this video, it must be mentioned that this is an AI-generated voice created by Dr. Mehdi Al Kausor, Assistant Professor, Science College, Kokrajhar, based on the content created by him, on the basis of syllabus of Bodoland University, Kokrajhar, Assam. The students under Gauhati University can check out the FYUG program details in this I button. The link for the same is shared in the description box. Let us come to the basis of the FYUG program. The FYUG program is based on the National Education Policy, which is introduced in Assam from this academic session to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. The implementation of this policy will move our country towards a more holistic and multidisciplinary education. Accordingly, the 4-year undergraduate program, that is FYUG, is introduced in Assam under NEP 2020. The structure and lengths of the FYUG degree program shall be of either 3 years or 4-year duration, with multiple exit and entry options within this period, with appropriate certifications. If a student exits the program after 1 year due to any circumstances, the student will be awarded undergraduate certificate. If a student exits the program after 2 years, the student will be awarded undergraduate diploma. If the student continue till 3 years and then exit the program, he or she will be awarded bachelor degree with major and minor or minor only. But if the student completes 4-year undergraduate program, he or she will have 2 options of bachelor degree. One is the bachelor degree with honors, and the second option is bachelor degree with honors and research. A student who exit in between the program may again rejoin within 3 years of departure and complete the said degree within 7 years. The NEP 2020 supports the educational mobility of students having the freedom to study in higher education institutions in the country, which will easily result in obtaining degree, diploma or PG diploma, etc. For that, an academic bank of credit, that is, ABC, is set up as per the new National Education Policy. The ABC will be envisaged to facilitate the availability of appropriate credit transfer system from one program to another or one institute to another. The credits earned by all the students will be managed in their ABC ID. A video on how to link and create ABC ID is uploaded in this YouTube channel. You can check out this video in this I button. The link for the same is given in the description box also. You have to create your ABC ID and link it in your profile in Samarth portal later on. Now, let us come to the details of the FYUG course. In addition to the major and minor subject, a student have to study the following 4 papers. The Ability Enhancement course, or in short EC. In this course there will be paper from Modern Indian Language or English language, focused on language and communication skills. Interdisciplinary course, or IDC. A student have to study 1 course from a basket of courses of social sciences, humanities, natural sciences, commerce and management. Skill enhancement courses, or SEC. These courses are aimed at imparting practical skills, hands-on training, soft skills, etc., to enhance the employability of students. The student can choose any SEC paper from the courses offered by a particular college or institute. Value-added courses, or VAC. VAC includes Understanding India, Environmental Science or Education, Digital and Technological Solutions, Health and Wellness, Yoga Education, sports and fitness. A student have to take a paper from this course. There will be an internship course also in the 4th semester. Internships with local industry, business organizations, health and allied areas, local governments such as panchayats, municipalities, parliament or elected representatives, media organizations, artists, craftspersons, and a wide variety of organizations on a field-based learning in terms of a minor project that attempts to provide opportunities for students to understand the different socio-economic contexts or a community engagement and service, field-based learning or minor project. Now, before going into the course details of FYUG program, let us discuss some frequently used terms. Semester. A semester will consist of 15 to 18 weeks or 90 days of actual teaching. Academic year. 2 consecutive semesters, 1 odd and 1 even semester is an academic year. Odd semester may be scheduled from July to December and even semester from January to June. Program. It means an educational program leading to award of a degree, diploma or certificate. Course. A course is usually referred to as papers is a component of a program that define learning objectives and learning outcomes. A course may comprise of lectures L, tutorials T, laboratory works P, field work or outreach activities, project work, vocational training, seminars, assignments or a combination of some of these. Credit-based semester system, CBSS. Under the CBSS system, the requirement for awarding a degree or diploma or certificate is prescribed in terms of number of credits to be completed by the students. Now, what is credit? As per CBCS system, the academic achievements of a student is measured in terms of credits. Credit is a unit by which the course work is measured. It determines the number of hours of classes instructions required per semester. In case of theory and tutorial classes, 1 credit is equivalent to 15 classes in 1 semester or 15 contact hours in 1 semester or 15 number of classes. So, in a paper of 4 credits, there will be 4 into 15 which is equal to 60 lectures and tutorials, each class having 1 hour. While in case of practical classes, 1 credit is equivalent to 30 contact hours in 1 semester. That means, if there are 2 credits in a practical class, then you will have 60 hours of practical class in a semester. Now, let us see the FYUG program details under Bodoland University in semester-wise. In first semester, you have to study a total of 6 papers. 1 paper from major course, 1 each from minor course, interdisciplinary course, ability enhancement course, skill enhancement course, and 1 paper from value-added course that you have chosen. The paper from major course and minor course will have 4 credit, paper from interdisciplinary course will have 3 credit, ability enhancement course will have 2 credit, skill enhancement course will have 3 credit, and the paper from value-added course will have 4 credit. So, in total you have 20 credits from these 6 papers. The second semester have exactly the same course pattern and credit. Here also you have 20 credits from these 6 papers. After completing the first year program of 2 semesters, a student may have the option to exit with AUG certificate. In third semester of second year, you have to study a total of 6 papers. 2 papers from major course, that is paper 1 and paper 2, 1 paper from minor course, 1 paper from interdisciplinary course, ability enhancement course, and skill enhancement course. Here, there will be no value-added course from third semester onwards. The 2 papers from major course and 1 from minor course will have 4 credit, paper from interdisciplinary course will have 3 credit, ability enhancement course will have 2 credit and the skill enhancement course will have 3 credit. So, in total, you have 20 credits from these 6 papers, here in 3rd semester also. In 4th semester of 2nd year also, you have to study a total of 6 papers. Here, there will be 3 papers from major course, that is paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3. 1 paper from minor course, ability enhancement course. Now, there will be an internship in this 4th semester. The 3 papers from major course and 1 from minor course will have 4 credit. Paper from ability enhancement course will have 2 credit and the internship course will have 2 credit. So, in total you have 20 credits in 4th semester as well. After completing the 2nd year program of 4 semesters, a student may have the option to exit with AUG diploma. In the 3rd year, the students now have to study the major and minor course only and there will be no other courses. In 5th semester, you have to study a total of 5 papers. 4 papers from major course, that is paper 1 to paper 4 and a paper from minor course. All the papers have equal weightage of 4 credit. So, in total you have 20 credits in 5th semester. The 6th semester is also the same with 5th semester where you have to study 5 papers, 4 papers from the major course and 1 paper from minor course, each having 4 credits. After completing the 3rd year program of 6 semesters, a student may have the option to exit with AUG degree with major. In the 4th year, the students now have to study similar course pattern with 6th semester. That means, in the 7th semester, there will be 4 papers from major course, but in lieu of the paper 4 you can opt for a paper named Research Methodology, REM. The students who are interested in research can take this paper in lieu of the paper 4 in 7th semester. In addition to that, there will be 1 paper from the minor course. All papers have 4 credits and in total there will be 20 credit. In the 8th semester, that means in the last semester, there will be 1 paper from major course, 1 from the minor course, each having 4 credits and a dissertation or project work having 12 credit. The students who are interested in research can take the project work. Otherwise, you may opt for 3 papers from Advanced Learning (ADL) course of your major subject, each having 3 credit. So, in total you have 20 credits in last semester as well. After completing the 4-year program of 8 semesters, a student will be awarded either UG degree with honors and research if the student have opted for the project work, or he or she will be awarded UG degree with honors if the student have opted for the ADL course in last semester. Dear students, as per the UGC guidelines, there will be some specific paper code for a particular paper. For example, if a paper code is CHMMAJ1014, then first 3 alphabets C, H and M means chemistry, M, A, J means it is a major paper. 1 stands for the course level, that is semester 1, 01 means the serial number of the course, and the last digit 4 means that it is a paper having 4 credit. As per this format, each paper will be designated. Now, let us see what is the curriculum structures. In a paper of 4 credit, there will be a definite number of credits for lecture, tutorial and practical, that is L, T and P. It may be L plus T plus P, that may be 3 plus 1 plus 0. Which means that there will be 3 credits for lecture classes, 1 credit from tutorial classes, and no practical classes. For this type of curriculum structure, there will be 80 marks of end semester exam and 20 marks from the internal assessment. Internal assessment includes sessional exam, seminar, activities, attendance, etc. So, total marks for the paper is 100. While, if a curriculum structure is of type L plus T plus P equal to 3 plus 0 plus 1, you will have to appear for 80 marks of end semester exam, including 60 marks of theory exam and 20 marks of practical exam, so a total of 80 marks and 20 marks from the internal assessment as well. So, total marks for the paper is 100. Similarly, in a paper of 3 credits, generally, there will be 50 marks of end semester exam of theory only with no practicals and internal assessments. Now, let us see the examination and assessment pattern. The performance of a student will be measured in terms of letter grade in CBCS system. The letter grade is actually an index of the performance of students in a set course. The grades are denoted by letters O, A+, A, B+, B, C, P and F. There is a grade point associated with each letter grade. Grade point is a numerical weight allotted to each letter grade on a 10-point scale. In this 10-point scale, if a student secure a marks in a paper in the range 90 to 100, then he or she will get a letter grade O, and for that, the student will get a grade point of 10. Likewise, for the marks in the range 80 to 89, it is a plus letter grade for which the student will get a grade point of 9. Similarly, for the marks in the range 70 to 79, 60 to 69, 50 to 59 and 40 to 49, the letter grades will be A, B+, B and C respectively, for which the student will get a grade point of 8, 7, 6 and 5 respectively. But, below 40 marks, it's a F grade for which the student will get 0 grade point, that means fail. For example, if a student secure 72 marks in a paper, then this mark falls in the range 70 to 79, so he or she will get a letter grade of A and the grade point will be 8. Is it clear? I hope so. Now, the grade point of a student in a paper will be converted into credit point. So, what is credit point? Credit point is the product of grade point obtained in a paper and the number of credits for that paper or course. Then the credit points obtained in all the 6 papers in a semester is added to get the total credit point. Finally, the overall performance of the student in that semester is measured in terms of the semester grade point average, that is, SGPA value. SGPA value is a measure of performance of work done in a semester. It is the ratio of total credit points secured by a student in various courses registered in a semester and the total course credits taken during that semester. It shall be expressed up to 2 decimal places. Let us see how to calculate the SGPA. For example, suppose a student have 6 papers, namely Major Paper 1, Minor Paper 1, IDC, AEC, SEC, and BAC papers having 4, 3, 2, 3, 4 credits respectively, and the student have secured letter grades of A, B+, B+, B, B, and B respectively. Then, the grade points for Major Paper 1 will be 8, Minor Paper 1 will be 7, IDC Paper 7, and that for the papers AEC, SEC, and BAC paper will be 6 each. Now, the credit point for Major Paper will be 4 into 8 equal to 32. The same for Minor Paper will be 4 into 7 equal to 28, and for IDC paper, it will be 3 into 7 equal to 21, and that for the papers AEC, SEC, and BAC paper will be 2 into 6 equal to 12, 3 into 6 equal to 18, and 4 into 6 equal to 24. Thus, the total credit point will be 32 plus 28 plus 21 plus 12 plus 18 and plus 24, which is equal to 135. After that, the SGPA is calculated by dividing the total credit point by the total number of credit in that semester of all the papers. Thus, in this example, the SGPA is equal to 135 divided by 20, which is equal to 6.7. In this way, the SGPA obtained in all the semesters is obtained. Finally, from the SGPA, a cumulative grade point average, that is CGPA, is determined. The CGPA is the measure of overall cumulative performance of a student over all semesters. The CGPA is the ratio of total credit points secured by a student in various courses in all semesters and the sum of the total credit of all courses in all the semesters. It is expressed up to 2 decimal places. For example, suppose the SGPA obtained in all the semesters by a student is like this: Semester 1 6.7, Semester 2 7.8, Semester 3 6.4, Semester 4 6.0, Semester 5 7.5, Semester 6 6.7, Semester 7 6.9, and in Semester 8 8.0. Then the CGPA will be 20 into 6.7 plus 20 into 7.8 plus 20 into 6.4 plus 20 into 6.0 plus 20 into 7.5 plus 20 into 6.7 plus 20 into 6.9 plus 20 into 8.0 divided by 160, which is the total credit. This implies that SGPA is equal to 135 plus 156 plus 128 plus 120 plus 150 plus 134 plus 138 plus 160, which is equal to 1121, and 1121 is divided by 160, then we will get 7.0. That means the CGPA of the student is 7.0. Now let us see what about the postgraduate, that is PG program as per the NEP 2020. The structure and lengths of PG program shall be of either 1 year or 2 year duration, with an exit options within this period, with appropriate certifications. Students will be able to get admission in 1 year PG degree after completing a 4-year UG degree with honors or with honors and research degree. But the students with a 3-year UG degree will be eligible for a 2-year PG degree. And the students who exit after successful completion of this course after 1 year, he or she will be awarded postgraduate diploma. An important aspect of the FYUG degree is that students who will complete a 4-year UG degree with honors and research are eligible for direct admission to doctorate degree program, that is PhD degree without PG degree. This is a benefit of the FYUG program. In case of research degree, the students after completing the FYUG degree with honors only must have to study 1 year postgraduate degree program. Then only he or she will get the opportunity to study the doctorate degree program. On the other hand, the students after completing the 3-year UG degree with major only must have to study 2-year postgraduate degree program to get admission in PhD degree program. I hope this video is very helpful for the students enrolled in the FYUG program. Wish you good luck for your future endeavor. Thanks a lot for your patience.